If you want to look like a holiday baking goddess without actually baking, pull up a chair. Puff pastry is about to be your new best friend. Hi loves, it's Octavia. Welcome back to my channel where we make beautiful food that feels magical, cozy, and totally doable. Today we're channeling full holiday abundance with 3 puff pastry desserts that look like you spent hours in the kitchen. But honestly, you could make them in your leggings while your coffee is still hot. We're making apple flowers, a gorgeous pear and brie wreath, and the cutest Nutella Christmas tree you've ever seen. These are warm and charming and whimsical, all the things we love, and they come together with almost zero effort, which is what I love the most. So if you want to impress your guests and actually still enjoy the party, well, let's get cooking. So I'm just gonna spread this Nutella on the puff pastry. Super simple. All right, and then we're just gonna take one more piece and lay it right on top. All right, that's our finished tree, and I say she looks gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I garnished her with a couple of sprigs of rosemary. Obviously you wouldn't want to eat that with it, but maybe you do, I don't know. And some pomegranate seeds and a little sprinkle of powdered sugar, and she is just gorgeous. Now for the big taste test. I'm gonna taste test. You can't go wrong. Nutella and puff pastry, that's the business right there. All right, moving on. We're starting the pear and brie wreath, which is gonna be amazing and beautiful and so tasty. So I've got my, what are we making? Puff pastry. No, I have not been in the liquor yet. And we're just gonna put this bowl down, and I'm going to go ahead and cut a circle out. Oh, isn't that lovely? We're gonna put a circle in the middle. I've got some jelly here. You can use any jelly. You can use some cranberry sauce. You can use like a raspberry puree or something like that, but I just have a jelly that my lovely neighbor made for me, so I'm gonna be using up this jelly today. It's just a little extra flavor. So first we're gonna lay down the pears. And then we're gonna lay down our brie cheese. We're gonna sprinkle with some nuts. I'm using pistachios. And then we're just gonna roll the edges up a little bit. Kind of pinch them down because this is all gonna puff up. Okay, we have our nice little wreath shape. Throw this in the oven. Good stuff. Okay, so now I'm gonna start on these puff pastry apple roses, which are absolutely gorgeous. And we're just going to first start by mandling the apples. Do not be a hero, use a glove, okay, for this. So we got our puff pastry here, and what we're gonna do is just slice it into strips. So we're gonna do 3 strips. And we're gonna take our apple butter and we're just gonna spread this on. And we're gonna lay our little apple slices down with this little round part up like that and just overlap them. I could eat the whole damn thing right now. Well, I hope you enjoyed this amazing spread of holiday desserts. Oh my goodness, that were so easy to make. It's gonna make you look like a pro baker at your next gathering, whether it's your own or somebody else's. Everybody's gonna want the recipe. And all you did was get a little bit of puff pastry, a couple of ingredients, bake it, and you were done. And we are growing this channel to 100,000, so I can't get there unless you hit that subscribe button. So go ahead and do that before you tune out. So I will see you next time.